How to fix Telegram downloaded media files not showing. If Telegram's downloaded media files are not showing in your gallery or file manager, then try these fixes. First of all, open the Telegram app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Telegram account. Then simply go to the settings inside the Telegram. Here, tap on the data and storage option available inside the settings. Now inside there, simply tap on the using cellular or using Wi-Fi option available there and make sure that in both of them the photos and videos option is enabled. If it is not, then make sure to enable both of them. Once done so, simply scroll up and there you can see storage option available. Tap on the storage uses. Inside the storage uses, you will get to see clear cache option available. Now simply tap on the clear cache and clear all the cache of Telegram. Now once done so, go back to the home screen of your mobile. Now once outside the home screen, look for the App Store. If you are using Android, then tap on the Google Play Store. Inside App Store, in the search address bar, search for the Telegram. Then all you have to do is, if you see the update option available right next to the Telegram, then tap on the update and update it to the latest version. Once done so, simply try restarting your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can refresh the file system and make the media appear. So restarting can help you with all these as well. After you restart your phone, try opening the phone after 30 seconds and check if it works or not. If not, then you will have to reach out to the Telegram support. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.